Oh, Cindy, why? Eh? Why would you put yourself in that condition? Why?
What condition are you talking about?
Oh, we are just talking. Tacha, what is this in your hands?
Mother, please. I do not want anyone to complain about this. I am going to have this in my custody for now until further notice.
Tacha, no! You are not supposed to lay your hands on them.
Exactly the same thing I told her, Mom. Tacha, what is wrong with you? You will get us into trouble.
Venita, please do not even say that to me again. Have you lost your mind? What do you mean by I'm going to put you into trouble? Oh, I am not the one putting you into trouble because I'm trying to save this family. For crying out loud, this is the crown of the king. If those evil men lay their hands on this, that means they have won us. Ah, no. I won't take such chances. I will not.
Tacha, you have to take these things back to the throne room now. This is not how we are going to win this war, Tacha.
Mommy, you have to caution Tasha. Hey, is that thing she did to me in the city? Let her not try it again.
You're very stupid, Cindy. In fact, you're a royal fool. Look at you. Well, I have nothing to say to you, brat. Mother, I have said my words and it stands. No one is touching this. It's going to be in my custody for now.
Tacha! Tacha! Oh no.
Jesus.
This girl will not listen.
Mother, you need to talk to Tacha. You need to talk some sense into her because I'm not ready to fight a shameful fight. I won't get myself involved in that mess. Please. You have to talk to her, Mother.
No, we have to do something. We have to do something. It seems that Isor and Ndokwa has concluded plans on how to rule this community. Eh? We have to stand up to them and make sure they do things the way things should be done.
I will leave them. I know all that. They are busy chasing shadows. Now listen to me. How can Igwe be killed and they refuse us from investigating his death?
I wonder.
They have ulterior motive, obviously.
But
leave them to me.
But let's do it. Let's do it. Hi. If Muba can be on our side. But the way that small girl is doing things, she's not helping matters. So she's not helping matters. Oh no, you have to tell her to calm down. Huh?
Ago, it's not her fault. You know she was supposed to be a boy. I heard that when the queen was pregnant, we were expecting a male child. But when the delivery date approached, she delivered a baby girl. It's a problem.
Something went wrong. But even at that, let her calm down. Let her calm down because if she insults us again, oh no, if she insults me again, I'll cease from being on their side.
You can't say that, Ago. Please, just forgive her. You know what? Forgive her. Because you don't know the plans. Ndiaji, Izora and Ndokwa. You don't know their plans. In fact, how I wish any of them is married. Assuming they even get a man today, we'll just support them to make sure the throne does not leave that place. It's better for us, you and I. Yes. Better for us. So please, let us not go so deep into it. Let's watch and see what happens. You know, go?
Let's go home and see how we can stand this.
Don't worry. Chifu, okay, ready. Hi. Why is everyone
At this rate, Papa, I will do what I will do in this village, and any ear that hears it will tingle.
Odile, two of us are on the same page on this one. Eh? From what I am sensing, that little rat is preparing for war.
Right.
Yes. You need to see the way she insulted us during the meeting. Particularly me. Hey, Bareba. I will deal with them. Yes.
Papa, we have to plan. We have to plan because not even death can come between me and that throne. Nothing will stop me from becoming the prince of this land. Nothing.
What are you talking about? That one has been gazetted by the gods a long time ago.
God.
What we should be talking about now is how we can secure the funds to sponsor the coronation and perform the last ofala for the king.
Okay.
Last ofala.
9. I heard what Odili said. Even me here cannot sit and watch myself not to be the queen of this land.
Yes.
Come here, whatever that will happen, let it happen.
Let it happen.
I don't care.
Dikeh woman, go and look for food for us. I am famished as I'm here now. Don't get me angry. I don't know what you're talking about.
I'm saying my own.
But I don't see how little rats, girls, can ride the customs and tradition of our people.
And then me, nobody will do it.
It's impossible.
Nobody will do it. Nobody. I'm not made that one, Eme.
What are we now saying? Okwe Belem.
Please go and look for food for us. Quick. Hey.
In fact, Papa, there is something you and I have to discuss. Something very important.
Just for power. Many are destroyed by desire.
Over. Change water. Oh. Over. That's it. It's yours.
Hi. Okay, madam. All this for me.
For you. We have not started. This is just the beginning. I want you to join us. You can see I am the very next Onowu of this community. And I am going to talk to Ndokwa to make you the chief tax collector. And not just that, the head of land matters. That is...
Wait. Are you serious?
You ask as if you don't know. I am the next Onowu of this community. And not just Onowu, but a very important Onowu. Listen, we have a very big plan. And if it doesn't work out, we have another one. And if that does not work out too, we have another big one. If it works out, then you have made it. I'm telling you.
Hey! Wait. What am I waiting for? To hell with Wike and his plans. Let him remain with Ago, while I will be with you and Ndokwa.
That is it. That is it. You are welcome. You are welcome. As you can see, I am an Onowu already. And I have a son who is very rich. Now, Ndokwa is about to grab the position of the Igwe. Who challenges us? Who? Who has the power to challenge us? Nobody. Nobody. Nobody at all. And another thing again, you better warn your son. I can see that he goes to the palace to look for one of the Igwe's daughters. And I don't want him to continue. So please, go and talk to him. Let him stop. He should go there no more. Let him stop.
Ichezora, consider it done.
Good.
My son has no money. He cannot marry any of them.
Okay.
Rather, they will turn him into palace houseboy.
That's all.
See, the moment I leave this place, when I get home, I will call him.
Good.
If he comes, I will show him this morning. I know how to handle my son.
That is...
Cool down. I know how to handle him.
In fact, we are going to do... Oh. That is my son. That is my son. The richest boy of this community.
Papa, that is me.
That is my son. That is the man you are seeing. You are welcome, my dear. Good, Papa. It shall be well with you, my dear. It shall be well with you. Moba. You are welcome, my son. That is Iche Moba.
Oh, you're welcome, Iche. You're welcome. The person you told me will give my son money.
Yes.
To establish his company more.
Exactly.
You are welcome, my son.
Thank you very much.
Very rich.
You're welcome. Papa, how you doing?
Oh, you are very fine. Very fine.
Hey. How are you girls today?
Sonia and Sophia.
Yes.
I know you both can't wait to be princesses.
Yet so. Meanwhile, I think it's time you add princesses to our name. Not Sophia this, Sophia that.
The princess Queen.
Sophia, don't talk to them like that.
Wait, Sophia. Is this a kind of command or a joke? Eh?
Wait, Obi, does it sound like a joke to you? It's a caution. The God has already made us the new princesses of this community. So it's time you called us princesses.
Hey! You are not yet a princess and you have started misbehaving. Says who?
Sophia, let's go. Let's go.
Did I not tell you that was exactly how their good-for-nothing brother wanted to intimidate me earlier today? But trust one woman now, I gave him the peace of my mind.
Trust you.
Obi, is it me you're talking to like that? Is it me you're talking to like that?
Don't let me slap you.
You do what? Obi, you will do what I'm asking. You will do what? Hey! You will do what?
It's okay.
Look at sorry, it's okay.
Hey!
Please, it's okay.
Princess without a physio. Laugh
all you want.
Hey.
Make merry all you want.
Go now. What?
But when I become the real princess,
go. Sophia. Go. The princess. No, come. Yeah, try me. You will beg me this time. You will beg.
Obi, I will deal with you.
What you want? When I become the new princess, I will make your life miserable. I'll be you. The princess. You growing a princess. Hey!
My daughters, I want us to use our feminine power very well. If we must fight and win this. Tacha, you have to be very diplomatic. These men you want to fight are very dangerous. There is nothing that will stop Ichi and Dokwa from becoming the king. It has been written.
Mother, I will personally make sure that he doesn't become the king. As far as my father was killed, the killers of my father must be brought to book. They must be exposed. Mother, I don't trust those men. I do not trust them. Who knows if they have a hand in my father's death?
No, I don't think so. Ichi Ndokwa knows that anyone who is destined to be the king must not soil his hand. And whosoever must live an upright life. Else, he will not live to see the day of the coronation. So I don't think he has a hand in it.
So what's this all about? Did father have issues with anyone before his death?
I don't know of any. What I'm saying is that we have to look for a way to fight this.
What other way, Mom?
Ichi Enwike said that if any of you should get a husband now, that your father has not been laid to rest, that he will convince the elders that your father already knows about the marriage before he died. Then we take it from there.
Mom, sincerely, this is absolutely difficult. I mean, I can't possibly force myself on a man.
How? But you told me that men have been coming your way. Venita,
Mom?
Cindy?
Mom, you know my condition already. I can't help it. This guy doesn't have money.
What condition is she talking about? Papa, me, I'm very, very angry. What is the meaning of this? Why do people find it difficult to believe that we deserve to be in that mansion as royal family? These girls insulted me, Papa. They insulted me.
You see? The same Ujunwa that almost insulted me. I wonder why they all think we don't deserve to be there.
Nai, I think this is the time for us to begin to resist people. Yes. This is no more funny. It's not funny, oh.
By the time I enter that room, I will make this community very hot for them.
Yes, Papa.
They will see the other side of me.
We had better start planning now. In fact, I have a suggestion. I am thinking of going to the city tomorrow to see if I can raise money.
Yes, hey brother, you're correct. Very, very important.
Before that,
yes, you have to consider his decision now. Let us start
the process.
Yes,
brother.
Let us just start the process.
We have to do something fast.
My son, you and I will have a special discussion. Special discussion. Look, this is war in the making.
War!
War!
Yes, war. You have to give it to them.
Enough is enough now.
Let's take things easy.
Zogi this thing now. He called this rubbish. You can see here boy again. What is wrong with this girl?
You not close of smelling mouth, Abi? You not close of smelling mouth.
I don't just know what is wrong with this girl.
You've come again. You left-handed person.
Hey, Papa. Finally, God has answered Papa, you remember that business I told you about the last time we spoke?
You told me something.
That I told you I've been so busy pursuing one particular business.
Papa,
that business has finally matured.
Eh?
Yes. And by next week, they will pay that money into my account.
Hey!
Papa, no, just relax. Let me finish. If that money finally gets into my account, Papa, I can buy this community.
Odogu?
Papa.
Odogu one
Your son can buy this whole community.
Odogu one. Can you hear your son?
Hey!
This is good news. I knew it is going to be so. Right from your mother's womb, I knew you will make it. I knew it.
Not new anymore. Not making it anymore. I have made it.
You have made it already. Yes. Can you hear my son? Can you hear my son? That is great.
Papa, I feel crazy with that money enter my account.
Okay, one. Okay, one.
Mama.
Hey! Who can challenge you in this our community?
Nobody.
They never. See, Papa, I was actually thinking of buying Igwe 2018 brand new Tieroba Prado. So at least that will soften his heart and it will give me chieftaincy title before I had the bad news. Oh.
Hey, it's all right. It's all right. The Igwe has gone to meet his ancestors. All the same. That should not bother you, my son. Because we are now in charge.
Yes, sir.
We are now in charge.
I don't understand. What do you mean?
Why will you not understand? Have you forgotten I am now the incumbent Ono of this community as it stands? And the wife of Ono. And the wife of Ono, yes. And then Ndokwa, the next king of this community. Maybe you have forgotten that Igwe Achebe has no male child.
Oh, yes.
He has no male child. So that gives us the opportunity to go in to have all these positions.
He has no male child.
He has no male child.
Say it louder.
So
he has no male child.
It is true. Papa, I actually had it somewhere, but I thought it was a normal male gossip. So I didn't really believe it. I was saying when I come, I will ask you.
No.
And Papa, I used to remember Ndokwa used to be your best friend. So automatically that, I see why you're not, oh no, okay.
Listen to me. We are not just talking about best friend. Okay. That is an understatement. Because as the Onowu and Ndokwa as the king, we own this community.
Yes.
We own this community.
So now my best friend, it is not Igwe.
No, it is Igwe and Onowu. Onowu one.
And that makes me
Onowu's son.
I don't know who's daughter.
Automatic.
Oh no, who's daughter?
Chieftaincy
I don't know what.
Baba will paint this town red. When that money finally comes, we'll paint this town red.
Yes, definitely. It shall be so.
By this community.
That is what we
For everybody, I'll
That
slap
is what
everybody with money. I'll embarrass people with money. You will sleep, Mama, see. I'll spray money on the ground, you sleep on top.
Yes. I will carry the best of the cars.
And escorts.
Escorts, maidens.
Mama, we are going together.
Mama, you people need to go to school to go and learn how to spend money.
Hey, Oya. Oya, you and your daughter go to the kitchen. I talk with my son.
What?
Oya, go.
Want to talk man to man? Let me make business call before Papa.
That is it.
Hello?
That is it.
Yeah.
Never. Never. What? Not in this house. What? Oh. So this is what has kept you from coming back to this house all along. What is wrong with this girl? Let me tell you. Cindy, you must abort that baby. You must.
For what? Eh? For what?
Mother.
This is what we are looking for. Oliver has to marry her.
No, Mom. That is totally wrong. Who would marry Cindy? Oliver. That's one that can barely feed himself. Really? Mom, Oliver can't marry Cindy.
Is it your marriage? Venita, are you the one to conclude for me?
Please shut up.
You should allow me do my thinking myself.
Will you shut up? Are you mad? Have you lost your sanity? Cindy, if I slap you, your head will spin 360 from your neck. Look at this girl, oh. Aren't you shameless? Don't you know that you are a princess? You stupidly gave yourself to that low-life idiot. For what? Don't allow me to hit you so hard.
Try it. Try it and slap me, Tasha. What is it? Every time you be shouting, what is it? Am I not old enough to make a decision for myself?
Cindy.
Mommy, in fact, I am going to keep this pregnancy. I was going to abort it before, but no. I will keep it. And I will marry Oliver, that I will make this family proud. That he will be the king.
May thunder fire that useless mouth of yours. You must be very stupid. As far as I'm concerned, Mother, this discussion is over. It's concluded already. And for your information, nothing works in this house until I say so.
Come back and touch her.
Mom, don't touch her. How can you be in support of this? Really? Anyway, the most important thing to me right now is that this little thing will not get married before me. It will never happen. Never. Rubbish.
Now I see envy everywhere. Mommy, you see your daughters? I am ready for them. If they want war again, I am ready. I will give them.
Please. No war. No war, please.
Papa, are you serious about this?
Very, very serious. The agreement is that I become the owner and he, the king. But that notwithstanding, he must pay back my money.
Oh.
Yes.
Very good. But Papa, don't you think if this man finally becomes the king, he's going to outsmart you and give it to someone else you think is better than you?
I don't understand. Eh? Don't you know your father? No, who we are to outsmart each other here? Eh? Anyway, I have a plan B. Yes.
That is your father. Papa, sharp man.
That is your father. Now listen to me. The plan B of your father is this. I want you to marry one of the Igwe's daughters.
What?
That is exactly what I want you to do.
Why?
Because Ndokwa is the only available person in the kindred. And so he is supposed to be the king. But if any of his daughters gets a husband before the last Ofala day, which is the burial day, then that in-law becomes the Igwe. So far, he comes from the community.
Wow.
Yes.
Does it work like that?
Why not? It works perfectly.
Fine. So, Papa, in that case, why don't we stick to this plan B and let the plan A go? So, both of us will not be under Ndukwa and his son.
No. We have to hold a meeting with him. But if he messes up, talks anyhow, and then we pull out. I know him. He has no money to take care of the Ofala Day, nor the coronation day. So he must surely come to me.
Yes. Papa. Shaka. That means I have to start getting ready to pay condolence village to the palace.
Yes, of course. Yes. You just have to go and make your choice. And make sure that... but there is one thing I want to tell you about them, the children. I like the second child. That second daughter of the Igwe. That one is calm. Is good. But the first and the last daughters, those ones are fire. They are mad people. So be very careful.
Papa, you have something else. Yeah? Even at your age, you still know the one that is better and the one...
Why will I not? Why will I not? Don't I have eyes?
Anyway, like
I have eyes.
The second daughter is actually the one my eye.
You mean he told you this?
Yes, Papa. They need to do something about it. Just as I didn't know how to tell you all the while.
Anyway, I think I need to ask Izwara. He told me he was going to pay off Atama. Why would he want to expose us?
He needs to do, in fact, you both need to do something about it. Because if we lose this throne, we are in deep trouble.
But you know, as somebody who is going to ascend the throne, I don't need to involve myself in killing. And that is why I left Izwara to do all the arrangements.
Then let him do it fast. We don't have time. You need to do something about this. Get rid of that guy.
Why would this boy do this? He told me that Atama will leave the community. Why is he still around? This is exactly what the father did that sent him to jail.
Are you serious?
Oh yes. The father is still in prison as we speak. Who knows, he will return in death.
Hey.
Anyway, I think I need to have a meeting with Izwara by tomorrow morning.
No. With what you just told me now, that will not differ no balance. And tomorrow is too far. You and I do not know who he has spoken to. Why would you and Ichie Izwara even look for anybody to do this kind of thing within this village and you did not see it was Atama? That stupid Atama. Why? You don't know who he must have spoken with. Tomorrow is too far. Now you have said his father is in prison for the same thing, which means not all Kafati men now. We have to find out who he may have talked to. That is very important.
Papa, I don't understand what you're talking about. I don't get it.
Now listen to me. What I am saying is that I do not want you, my son, to have anything in common with that girl. Listen, do you know that that girl insulted the elders today when their tenure has expired? Yes.
But Papa, Cindy is the one brother is talking with, not Tasha.
I don't care. I don't care. Listen, son, I have a deal for you. We have to follow Ichie, Ndokwa and Izwara. They are the people to rule this community now. We have to follow them.
But Papa, being in their party or not being in their party has nothing to do with my relationship with Cindy. They are two different things. He can be in their party. Why?
Hey, son. Your father cannot be in the party of Ndoko and Izora. Then you will be in another party. There is war going on now. Do you know that those girls, they refuse the throne going out from their own house when they know they don't have what it takes to retain it?
But Papa, that is not a problem now. Huh? It was said that if any of the girls gets married now, the husband is going to be the king.
Yes.
Do you know my plans?
But they don't have. Or are you telling me that you want to marry her? She will accept you? Wise up, son. Wise up. Iche Izora, he told me that the moment the son comes back, he will give you money to add to your business so long as you promise to stay away from those girls.
Really?
Yes.
Wow. Brother, this is very good offer. Don't miss it.
Tell him, tell him.
Papa, you don't know my mind. You don't know my plans. But I'm going to blow your mind. Don't worry, I'm going to blow your mind.
Oliver, you blow me? You fight your father?
No, Papa. That is not what he meant. That is not what he is saying.
What is he saying there?
This one you sent for me, I hope everything is well.
Mba, all is not well at all. All is not well. Our beans is about to be spilled.
I don't understand. Can you please let the cat out of the bag?
You don't understand? You had a deal with Atama.
Sure, yes.
He has violated it. In fact, he has stolen my son.
Atama told your son?
Oh, yes.
Atama? I struck a deal with Atama that he has to leave the village. How come Atama telling your son? No. Atama cannot be in this village by now. Yes, he cannot.
Atama cannot be in the village? Let me tell you. Atama is moving from one beer parlor to another, buying drinks for people, saying all sorts of things. By the way, why would you strike a deal with this kind of person, this kind of sensitive deal? Why would you use that kind of person?
Don't worry. Don't worry. Atama can never bring problems between both of us. No way. Listen, I will make sure that Atama leaves this village before tomorrow.
You better do.
It's a promise.
You better do. If you don't, and the beans is spilled, I will deny you.
Deny me?
Oh yes, I will deny you. After all, I'm not the one who gave him the money. You are the one.
That you will deny me?
Oh yes.
No, you will deny me?
I will deny you.
Is that a threat or what? We all did this business together. How?
Planning and scheming just for power. Many are destroyed by desire. No joy, no peace, fighting for the throne.
I have said it, and that is how it is going to be. That girl has the nerves to talk back at me. I have made my point, and I'm not going back on my words. She will abort that pregnancy. Look at Cindy. Cindy has the guts to talk back at me now. I touch her. She now talks to me anyhow. It's fine.
What kind of a woman are you?
I am that kind of a woman that does not tolerate any rubbish.
You're supposed to be making peace, Tasha.
Tasha, you can do all you want. I, Cindy, I will marry Oliver. Bet me.
This is hilarious. I see. Look at this brat. You brought out your silly hands to bet me? Tasha. Are you seeing your daughter? Fine. I will bet you. I bet you. I want to watch you get married to that fool. I'm waiting for you. Have you seen it? Have you seen your offspring? Have you?
Tasha.
Goodness.
Tasha. Don't let me get mad at you. What is it? Do you want to kill me?
Mother, you need to stop this. Seriously, you need to stop it. Why are you supporting evil?
Oh.
What she did, was it right? No! And as for you, you little rat. You had impetus to bet your own elder sister. Are you sick? You want to make her worse you? I want to stop. No! You want to stop! Benita, you want to fight me? Fight me! Stop! Fight me! Stop! Listen! I don't say any of you guys so. We have our businesses. Am I coming to beg you for money? Tell me, am I begging you for money? I will do what I choose and none of you can stop me. Mom, I'm going out.
You see? Did you just see that? Are you seeing the child you gave birth to? A little girl of yesterday now stands out and speaks to us like that. And you keep calm and stand there, yet you are the mother. Very soon she will do it to you.
Do I really deserve this?
Please stop crying. You know I don't like to see you like this. But sometimes you do things that surprises me. Cindy should be cautioned so she can curtail her excesses. Just look at what she displayed here.
Benita, I want the best for the family. God knows I love you. I love all of you. God knows I want peace. I desire peace. You don't understand. I want peace.
What? Oliver. Nagodumaka. Why? Oliver. So you mean both of you were so close like this for such a thing to happen?
You don't know your son. You think I don't know what I'm doing? Papa, like play, I entered there. I entered there and Banye. Even though I know that she doesn't want to keep it, but at least I've shown her that I'm a man. I've shown her that now I'm Osirimike.
Oliver. Let me tell you something. She has to keep it. Do you know why? She is from the royal family. She will not soil her hands with abortion. But we have a problem here.
What problem?
I am happy with you, but we have a problem. How do we make this thing to happen?
Papa, that is why I'm back. That is why I'm back, for us to organize, plan, do everything. Papa, even if you want to sell land, we sell land to achieve it. Our sisters came to the city today, harassed me, do this, but I don't even care. Papa, I'm back now. I don't want us to miss this opportunity. Let your son be the king.
Yes.
I thought I'm going to blow your mind.
My princess.
How are you? Is that my message?
Why not?
Come and sit down.
Thank you.
Hey.
You're welcome.
Oye,
Welcome.
how are you? I'm fine. She's so big now. What are you eating?
Food. She has been finishing Papa's food.
Go for Onyisi. Go for the little prince of this land. No. Wale, you are welcome to our place of residence.
Guys, sit down.
We are eating something.
Guys, sit down. Huh? Who is our next prince? I beg, sit down.
Are you okay? Okay, see, let me ask you. Are you not aware that Ichie Ndokwa is the next king? He is the next king to be. I'm going to now.
Because you are welcome. Welcome.
Because I'm making no offense. Make you no mind this fool. Come to me, what's happening? I sit down, master.
No, don't worry. Allow him to keep rattling. Let me know if his father is going to be the next king of this community. Okay, what's your problem? Oh, you think I do not deserve to be a prince, is that it?
You can be prince for those interested, not for me. Come back, Kanjaba aside.
Come on, we're here also. No, look at you. Look at this guy, guys. So you're going out there? You are going out after Adam has paid for all the things that you do. Eh?
Calm down, leave him.
It's alright, don't worry. Kewanya, madam, please give everybody here what they want to take. I'll take care of it.
My prince, you don't need to worry yourself. Atama has paid for everything here. Today and tomorrow is a free bar. Come and drink as much as you want. Bring something, bring some wine for
Atama.
What am I going to do now? How am I going to conquer these people? Now Cindy is trying to take over me? But who among all these men that are coming to ask for my hand in marriage should I go for? I will not live to see them take over my father's throne. Never. Neither will I allow Cindy to marry that Oliver. Imagine Oliver, that foolish thing, to become the king. Never. Oh, of course she doesn't know what she's doing.
Tacha, you have to calm down. You have to take things easy, at least for the sake of Mom.
No, Venita.
Do not tell me to calm down. Since she doesn't want to control that little girl, I will discipline her
myself.
Stop talking about discipline anyone. We have to focus all our energy at one side to win this battle. If we are divided, they will win us. Don't you get it?
Venita, what are you saying? What exactly are you saying? That I should allow Cindy get married to that lunatic, that foolish boy? I will do no such thing. And I want you to also know that you cannot get married before me.
What?
I mean, you people should understand that I am the first daughter of Achebe, Igwe Achebe. So, nobody should challenge me on anything in this house.
What are you saying? No, what rubbish are you saying? Who is talking about challenging or dragging positions with you? All we're trying to do here is fight a common battle, which is to win this man and take back the throne of our father. We have to sit down, plan on how to execute this. And you stand here to talk about position and who is to get married first. Really? And let me ask you, which man has come here to ask for your hand in marriage? I don't know.
Excuse me?
Yes. Or are you trying to say that if a man comes into my life, I should turn him down? That must be some sick joke.
Oh, really? Okay. If you're ready to fight me, Venita, think of getting married.
Then get a man to get married to you, dear sister.
Oh, so you've grown wings, right? Now get out of my room. I said take your miserable self and get out of my room.
Tacha, calm down. We have to take things easy.
Take what?
Mom is crying. We need to help her.
And who cares? Get out! Get out! Leave! Go! Get out! Get out! is wrong with this stupid girl? Oh no, everyone can stand up to me now. Look at her. She wants to get married before me. You must be mad. I would not allow it to happen. Never.
No, he only said that he made a deal and the deal paid him well. Yes.
And he did not mention the deal he made or any other thing.
That is a problem. That is a problem. He did not tell us anything. As it stands now, we are even surprised at the kind of money, at time of all people were spending. The kind of drinks he bought. And to crown it all, the amount of money he gave out for people to share. Hey, bro! At time of all people.
I found out what I want to find out. And I will find out if he won a jackpot.
Maybe he did. But see, let me tell you, we don't care how the money comes. But all we know is this: we need to be happy. Atama said we should be eating something.
Too much.
Alright, thank you. I will promise you both a job in the palace each once I become the prince.
Hey, bro! On the
My princess, thank you so much. I have heard what you said. I'm going to speak with my father. Then we'll start planning.
You don't have to take much time, sweetheart.
Okay.
You said one man was owing you money.
Yeah.
So, did you later collect it?
No, the man didn't give me.
Okay. Don't worry. I will send you some money. You have to be fast with your plans.
It's alright.
Do you understand?
I will. I don't know. Can I hug you?
Why not?
Royal hug.
Okay. I will see you tomorrow. Alright. Yeah. Don't look for trouble.
No. No.
I am happy.
Papa, I told you that I'm too much.
You are a great man. From today, I will begin to respect you.
Yes, Papa. But Papa, we have to start planning. There's no time.
So, this thing is about happening.
It's already happening, Papa. It has happened. Hear what she said now, that I have to come to the palace to make her my intention known.
That is where we have a problem.
Because I want us to give them 3 weeks. Because of the death of the king.
Ha!
Yes.
Papa, it's far.
Papa, 3 weeks later.
It's far.
No, it is not. It is not.
Let's rush it before they will change their mind.
Don't worry, I know what to do.
I want to become the king sharp.
I know what to do. Don't worry.
Oliver. That's okay.
Run.
My people.
No. Can you see your brother? Can you see your brother? Darling.
As a new king.
So I'm telling you.
How do I
Father of the king. That's what Oliver, my son.
It's a pity, my queen. But God knows the best.
Thank you so much, Greg. But I don't think that God knows about this one. Why would anyone kill my husband? And the elders doesn't even want to investigate it. Please, help me talk to your father. Let them take it easy with us. Please.
It's okay, my queen. Don't worry. The killer of Igwe must be brought to book. And I have all it takes to make that happen. If there is no one to fight for you, I, Greg, will fight for you with my last blood.
Thank you so much, Greg. We really do appreciate. I've always known you to be a good guy. And I've always known you to be I'm a flesh sugar in this village. Thank you so much. Anything you can do to help this family will be highly appreciated.
Yes, Greg, please. I don't want them to throw us out of this palace like animals. Please.
It will never happen. Not when I'm still alive.
Then warn your father. Warn him to keep calm. He should stop. Because if he doesn't, I will not stop myself. I will make sure I crush all of them.
Oh, Tacha, come on, take a chill pill. Calm down. We're still talking to him.
Do you have to beg him? You're not begging you. Greg, go home and tell your father what I have said. Madam, please, mother. If he doesn't stop, he will have me to contend with.
My princess, it's alright. I will do just that. But please, I want you to see me as a friend, not an enemy. I will support this family any way I can, financially and physically. Please, my queen, please, I want you to count on me. If my father is one of them, I will call him to order. You girls are too beautiful for anyone to make you unhappy. But I, Greg, will do everything in my power. If it has to take my last blood, I will do it to make sure everybody in this family is happy and protected.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
God bless you.
You mean your son is back? Yes, he's back. He is fully back, and that is why I have come to inform you that now he is back and your son is very much available too. We should have the meeting tomorrow with Ndokwa. Yes, that is it.
Ichezora, I am sorry to say this, but I just have to say it. I am no longer interested in that meeting.
What?
We, the elders, we should be thinking of how to investigate how our king was killed in his room. That is what we should do first.
Why are you sounding like Wike? Eh?
I am not sounding like him. I am talking the truth. And that is what we should do first.
It's all right. But don't forget that I have a very serious plan for you. Now your son is available and my own son is back. Why not we have this meeting together and then meeting that will benefit us? That is exactly what I am talking about. Eh?
Chizwara, I am sorry to disappoint you. I can never be in that party anymore. My son is back. And I told him. Do you know what he told me? He said he is not interested in your son's money. And I do not want to be on the side of evil.
Yeah? So I am evil?
Of course you are. So you don't know.
I am evil? No. You call me evil, man.
Is there water in my mouth?
It's all right. Ngwa, you may go. No, give me my money.
Listen.
Give me the money I gave to...
I had to change because of the good of this community. And I will give you your money. Just hold on.
Give it to me. Give it to me if you can speak this way. Give it to me. I'm a man. Poor man like you. I helped you. I gave you money to take care of yourself and do other things. And here you are telling me rubbish. Is that not what we have agreed on? What are you talking? What are you talking? Give me my money. Idiot.
It's all right.
Eh? It's all right.
Here is the money.
Give it to...
And stop making noise in my house. Have your money. It is intact.
No. You are asking me to take this money.
Of course I am asking you to take your money. You demanded for it and here is the money. Take it.
Give me the money.
Now, get out of my house.
You said what?
Get out of my house now!
Listen to me. You will regret this statement you have just made. To get out of your house?
Zora, you are sick in the head. Get out!
I will go. Let me never. Let me never see you again in my house.
It's alright.
You can do nothing. I hear you. We shall see. I hear you. Get out. I hear you.
Cindy, did I hear you well?
You heard me correctly. Mom, Oliver will be coming sick for my hand in marriage.
Cindy, I don't think this is the right time. I mean, why are you girls making things difficult for me? Eh? Your father is still in the mortuary. And you've not even gone to see him.
Mom, we have a situation at hand. Because of this, I decided to keep this child to see if we can be saved through it. Mommy, if Oliver marries me now, we may retain the throne through it.
You lie. I am the first child of the king. The first princess of this kingdom. You will not marry before me. You dare not.
Tacha, can you just calm down? Can't we just have peace for a second in this house? Who is talking about who will get married first? We have a situation at hand and I think that is what we should be talking about. Well, if you have a man who wants to get married to you, bring him home so we can save situations.
Tacha, your sisters are right. Cindy is right. But I think Oliver has to wait for some market days before coming to make his intention known. I think Cindy's intention is okay. Yes, considering the situation at hand.
I'm not surprised. Of course, Mother, I am not surprised because you have always supported your daughter. I'm always the wrong person. But let me tell you, Mother, with or without a husband, I, Tacha, will win this war. I will.
No, Tacha. The only way to win this war is to get married. And not just getting married, but getting married to an indigene of this land. Listen, if you don't want your sisters to get married before you, then make a move.
Mother, watch me and see. Good night.
So, did you say they were come with you?
Papa.
Who's scares?
Now I know you really don't know who your son is. Yes. Papa, listen. There are so many ways to kill a rat. Yes. By the time I am finally close to Venita's heart, we'll take over the palace.
Sure.
Yes. Papa, all I just need you to do for me is to stand by to argue it out with the elders.
I don't understand what you mean here.
But what I mean is, get ready to argue it out with the elders so they will not say because the Igwe is dead, none of the daughters will bring in a man.
Don't bother yourself about that. You know why? There is a tradition. According to the tradition, the mother of those children is still alive. And so they have all the right to bring in a husband before the burial of the king. Yes. Eh? And that is all. That is all. Don't forget we'll be having a meeting with Ndokwa and his son tomorrow. So, how do we decline?
Oh, Papa, don't worry. Like I said, you really don't know who your son is, Papa. See, as far as I'm concerned, we have upper hand in this game.
Now that the food is on our table, we have to do something very fast. So just excuse me, let me rush down to somewhere and do some draft play and to make sure that at least we succeed and succeed perfectly well.
I hope you're not going to sit down your girlfriend beside you.
Papa, I am standing.
Don't worry, just go to the bed.
Standing by you, Papa. If it is money, I will spend it. Whatever it is, Papa, I am standing by.
Bold and powerful. I am behind you and your mother in this matter. Just make sure that they don't win you in this case. Family kwana go. Family kwana go. No even nego.
Ichie Maramofuma. You do not know me too well. You don't. Listen, Ichie. I am ready to crush anyone who stands on my way. I mean, why can't a woman be a queen of this land? Why can't a woman rule this land of ours? Why can't? What is that a man can do that a woman cannot do even better?
My daughter,